Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on GLMR. As in my previous video, I was showing you that GLMR has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout for a while, we broke out this quite long-term resistance of 33 cents. If we take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that for a while we broke it out, but while retesting the previous resistance as support, the price and could not save this level as support and broke it down. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this big down channel. By the way, even before breaking out this down channel, I've been telling you that once GLMR will be able to break out this channel on the 7-day time frame chart, then technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 60 cents. And you can see that the price line rallied up to 72.92 cents. And this was from this low to here, you can see that it was more than 355% rally, where the price and could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. That was previously breaking as support zone here, resistance, and resistance on here. And recently, again, it worked as a very strong resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared on 9th of March 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal sharp pattern that GLMR formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 47% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signal for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of GLMR. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And recently, you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this wedge. And finally, we have broken out the resistance. So far from here up till this high, you can see that it has pumped almost 50%. But now we need to break out this resistance of 33 cents. If we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this 33 cents has been breaking at the resistance here. For the past few weeks, you can see it is breaking as a resistance. Before that, for several weeks, it had been breaking as a support here. And before that, here for several weeks or months, it had been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, even after breaking out this wedge, we will still need to break out this resistance of 33 cents. And after that, we will have another very long-term resistance of EMA 21 as well. You can see that the price line is also trying to break out this resistance as well. And previously, it had been working as a very long-term resistance. And here for several weeks, it had been working as a support. And now it is working as a resistance. At the same time, you can see that during this rally, the price line has already broken out this very big resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And now it is testing the previous resistance of the cloud as support. That can be another reason that the price line may not move more down to break down the next support. And I'm expecting that now after breaking out this wedge and testing the support of Ichimoku cloud, soon it can hit the target for the breakout from this recent falling wedge pattern. By the way, that target can be here, the breakout target for this falling wedge pattern at the top of the wedge, approximately at 72 cents. And in that situation, we can also break out this long-term resistance on that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. Now let's take a look at the expected inverse head and shoulder pattern. And here you can see that we have formed this left shoulder of this big inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this is the formation of the head. And now it is forming the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And this long-term resistance on that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents is also breaking as a neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now after breaking out this wedge, I'm expecting that soon it can also break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And once the price line will be able to break out this neckline, then target for the breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern will be here. That will be approximately at $2.55. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.